Today we will be showing you how to replace a virtual chassis cable in a Juniper EX Series switch. This procedure will apply to any EX Series switches that use a dedicated virtual chassis module with these cables used to connect them, but does not apply to switches that use one of their uplink modules as a dedicated virtual chassis port. Once you have determined where the faulty virtual chassis cable is located, you will need to first undo the two captive screws that hold the connector cover in place. These should only be finger tight, but you may need a screwdriver to help get them undone. Once the screws are undone, the connector cover may be slid away from the connector. Now you will need to carefully grab hold of the release tab and pull it straight back, releasing the cable from the connector. While doing this, you can grasp the body of the connector and pull it straight back and out of the switch. Perform these same steps on the other end of the cable where it connects to the other switch in the virtual chassis chain. Now you can install the replacement cable by inserting it into the port on the back of the first switch and then securing the connector cover in place. Do the same with the second switch and connector, ensuring the cable is not twisted or strained. Once both connectors are secured into the switches, the replacement is complete. If you have any questions about your virtual chassis cable replacement, please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will assist you.